microprocessor is an example of? Achji, first of all, we should know that what is accumulator in a computer central processing unit in CPU. The accumulator is a register in which intermediate arithmetic logic unit results are stored for a particular time. So accumulator-based microprocessors, both Intel 8085 and Motorola 6809, both are example of accumulator-based microprocessor. So the correct option for MCQ number 1 is both A and B. That is option D. Processor 80386 and 80486 and Pentium processor uses dash bits and address bus. How much bits are used for these processor in the computer? So first of all, processor in computing processor or processing unit is a digital circuit which performs operations on some external data source, usually memory and other data streams. So actually both these processors use 32 bits address bus. That is option number B for MCQ number 2. Next MCQ is each memory location has. What is the characteristic and what is the features a memory location should have? The memory location should have an address and the content of the memory. So both A and B is the correct option for MCQ number 3. For MCQ number 3, that is option D for MCQ number 3. Microprocessor can be used to make. First of all, we should know that what is a microprocessor? Microprocessors are computer processor where the data processing logic and control is included on a single integrated circuit or a small number of integrated circuits. So microprocessor can be possibly used in computer, digital system, and calculator. All of these are correct for microprocessor. So the correct option for MCQ number 4 is all of these. Which of the following refers to the memory in computer? So RAM is randomly accessible memory, and it's a form of computer memory that can be read and changed in order, in any order. Typically used to store working data and machine codes. So which of the following refers to the memory in your computer? Randomly accessible memory is refers to the memory in your computer. That is option A, RAM. A string of 8 zeros and ones is called. So byte, the correct option for MCQ number 6 is byte. And what is byte? The byte is a unit of digital information that most commonly consists of 8 bits. Historically, the byte was the number of bits used to encode a single character of text in the computer, and for this reason, it is the smallest addressable unit of memory in many computer architectures. So the correct option for MCQ So the correct option for MCQ 6 is A, bytes. Byte. So the next MCQ is storage that retains its data after the computer is turned off. It is actually non-volatile storage, and non-volatile storage refers to the computer memory that is able to hold save data even if there is no power. So the correct option for MCQ number 7 is B, non-volatile storage. Computer gathers data, which means that allow user to dash data. Actually, computer is a device that is capable of storing data, whatever the form is. It could be either pictures, videos, or written a word file, whatsoever it is. We can store these data in our computer. So for this regard, we can consider computer as a storage device, and that is correct for. And the correct option for MCQ 8 is D, store. Which is a semiconductor memory, which is semiconductor memory. So first of all, we should know that what is a semiconductor memory. Semiconductor memory is a digital electronic semiconductor device used for digital data storage. Such as computer memory, it typically refers to MOS memory, where data is stored within metal containing semiconductors. Okay. So, which is semiconductor memory? Semiconductor memory could be dynamic, it could be static. So, both A and B is correct for MCQ number 9. Which is the brain of the computer? Brain of the computer is central processing unit, CPU. It acts like a coordinator between different parts of computer, and it act as a central unit or connecting unit. Both of these are connected directly to CPU, and CPU gives the related commands to the computer. So option B, CPU is the correct option for the brain. The area of memory with address near zero are called low memory. So actually, what is low memory? Low memory occur when the device you are working on run out of RAM, and also is low on virtual memory. So the correct option for MCQ number 11 is C, low memory. CPU can read and write data by using data bus. And data bus, data bus MCQ option number B for MCQ number 12. What is data bus? A data bus is a data centric software framework for distributing and managing real time data in intelligent distribution system. So the correct option for MCQ number 12 is B, data bus. When memory read or input output read are active, data is to the processor is. Which sort of data is to the processor? It is actually the input data. MCQ option number A is correct for MCQ number 13. DMA stands for direct memory access, and direct memory access is a capacity provided by DPS system bus, or is useful whenever the computer CPU cannot keep it within the data transfer rate. So the correct option for the full name, DMA is the abbreviation of direct memory access. That is option number A for MCQ number 14. Direct accessible appointment calendar is a feature of that resident package. So it is a direct possible appointment calendar is a feature of actually memory resident package. That is option number C for MCQ number 15. RAM is a volatile memory, because RAM is considered volatile memory because when RAM is randomly accessible memory. Because whenever we switch off the computer, RAM can be vanished, or due to the switching of the computer, so it is considered as volatile memory. Option A is correct for MCQ number 16. What does USB stand for? What is the full form of USB? USB is a device that can be possibly used to transfer data to the computer. It can also be used for storing your data. And the correct option for MCQ number 17 is Universal Serial Bus. That is C for MCQ number 17. So a device that is similar to flash drive is memory card. Both of these are actually used for storing data. And both of these are very handy and easy to handle. So they perform the same function. The function of both of them is to store data for a particular moment of time. Okay. So the correct option for MCQ 18 is A, memory card. Sorry. Which of the following is not a magnetic disk? Floppy, Winchester, zip, or flash? So flash is not a magnetic disk. And what is actually a magnetic disk? A magnetic disk is is the storage of data on a magnetized medium. Whenever we store data on a magnetized medium, is considered as magnetic disk. And the flash is not one of the example of magnetic disk. That is option number D for MCQ number 19. A piece of data that can be transferred between CPU and backup storage is called block. Block actually refers to a hard drive or other storage devices. Block is a segment of large area that can be assigned to particular device or that can be transferred between CPU and other backup devices. So the correct option for MCQ number 12, MCQ number 20 is A, block.